Hey there, Vangabonders. If you saw the last episode, you remember that when we took off that rear corner, I found a lot more rust than I expected. So while we wait for those parts to get here, I've decided I'm gonna cut off the nose and see what's hiding behind that. I ordered this book, pretty excited about it. It's got some information, but I'm about to show you guys how to take off your nose if you're brave enough to do a nose transplant. So I just found out that it's just one bolt holding this on. That's pretty neat. As you can see, the nose skin is spot welded to like that fresh air vent thing. So I'm gonna make some measurements to make sure I cut around that because I don't feel like drilling out the spot welds now. I'll do that after I get the skin off. In here, the nose skin is folded around this edge, but it's really hard to unfold from this side, so I'm gonna cut within this down here and then unfold it from this side. At least that's my plan. I'm gonna lay out some tape. You know, I love the tape. In the front, we're gonna cut right along this seam here because that's where the new one's gonna sit. And also that's where this one's rusted out. And then hopefully it'll just come off as a pretty big piece. How do you get these out without breaking them? You think they would include that in that little book, or maybe I just didn't read. Who reads anyways? Let's see. Thankfully I have this nice rust cavity. Makes it very easy to just squeeze that. Pop it out. Beautiful. We're gonna measure in here how far back this is. Almost 3/4 of an inch. To be safe, we're gonna cut an inch in. Yeah, an inch should do. I mean, this doesn't need to be so straight, but you know. If my woman lets me, I might keep this as a piece of decoration. Should be okay. As long as I don't press too deep with the thing. So I don't know, but I think it's a good idea to tie the nose skin up before I cut this last piece, because if not, I think it just will fall. Let's tell you guys something. I was wearing gloves, and the grinder went through the glove and through my finger. So wear your gloves, because if not, I'd probably be in the hospital. Maybe I belong in the hospital. Mental hospital.
Did that dig it under?
Here. Wait, you might... Sure it's not... Ignore the mess. I'm gonna mount it right here.
Oh,
what do you think about that, honey?
That's it.
Huh?
I like it.
You like it? And we'll put lights in it. And when people come up the driveway, it looks like there's a bus park. So it appears this hose that's supposed to drain the water sprung a leak in here. And well, that is rusted. So before we put the new nose on, we gotta repair this. There ain't no way we're going this far with the restoration and not doing it right. Get out of my way. I'm gonna clean this up and see the extent of the damage here. Shoot, I actually didn't cut these tabs off. See, I wouldn't have known these tabs existed had it not been for page 74 where it says, A, and I quote, cut the lower section out carefully and note the 2 tabs that help locate the front panel. Don't cut through them. Amen. Mallory doing what she does best, sweeping. And we're gonna figure out what we need to repair this. So my hope is that, and I think they do, I think this is called an intervalence. Don't quote me on that. Hopefully they sell that, because I'm gonna need to buy it. Because I'm not fabricating all those dang bends. You've seen how I fabricate. Watch episode 9. So if you guys have been keeping up with the channel for a while, the goal here is to have as little Bondo as possible on the outside, which is why we're gonna do it in these small sections. I thought about cutting it under the gutters, thought about drilling out the spot welds. If you look at the inner structure of these, I might put a photo here from like an old German manual. There are so many spot welds. I'm not doing that. You see how big this is? That won't take long to weld. You see how long this is? Long time. I don't got that much time. You get busy living, you get busy dying. So we've got the nose off, and we see that we need to repair that inner part. We're gonna repair that inner part before putting the floor back on, just for the ease of access of being able to coat everything in here. And then we'll get this floor back on. I'm trying to start from the skeletal system out to the muscular system, out to the endocrine system. So thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure to leave a comment saying, I like that video. Pretty cool stuff, man. Keep uploading. And if you just found the channel through this video, you are so lucky, because there's tons of episodes that have already been uploaded. The playlist will be linked here. Click on them, watch them, follow the process, and follow my descent into insanity. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, bell notification, y'all know what to do.